Okay, so today we have the unboxing of the memory for the upcoming core router upgrade, which is effectively a virtualization platform with ESX and Untangle running on it. Also handles VLANs, but as those are VMs, they'll need lots and lots of memory. Certainly a lot more than the 4 GB that was in the old system. So this is the new memory for the new system, and ordered through Amazon. And these are little Kingston memory kits that match the requirements of the motherboard. Just try and get it to focus there. There we are. And as we're not using a Xeon processor for this, we're using a Core i7 instead. This is non-ECC memory. That's very important because if you're using a Xeon processor, it's ECC memory. If not, you have to use the standard stuff. And there's the other one. So each of these are 8 GB sticks. So it'll be a total of 16 GB of memory for the system. And that concludes this particular part of the unboxing. And keep an eye out for the upcoming upgrade build log of this core router server coming later on this channel. Catch you next time.